Imagine this. You've just installed your brand new Ooma phone system, eager to experience the benefits of crystal clear calls and a host of other features. But how do you actually make a call? It might seem simple, but with so many options and features, it can be a bit overwhelming. Ever found yourself staring at your phone, wondering if you're supposed to press a button, dial a number, or perform a secret handshake? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the steps to making a call on Ooma, so you can start connecting with your loved ones right away. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly go over some basic Ooma terminology. First off, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the Ooma base station and the Ooma phone adapter. The base station is the hub of your Ooma system, while the adapter connects your existing phone to the Ooma network. Step-by-step guide. Now let's get to the main event, making a call. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Pick up your phone. Just like with any traditional phone, the first step is to pick up the handset. Dial the number. Once you have the handset, dial the number you want to call. It's as simple as that. Wait for connection. After dialing, wait a few seconds for the call to connect. Start talking. Once connected, you can start your conversation. Additional tips. While the basic process is straightforward, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Check your Ooma status. Before making a call, ensure your Ooma base station is powered on and connected to the internet. You can check the status by looking for the status lights on the base station. Use Ooma's features. Ooma offers a variety of features, such as call waiting, caller ID, and voicemail. To access these features, you may need to press specific buttons on your phone or use the Ooma app. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble making calls, check the Ooma community forums or contact Ooma customer support for assistance. That's it. Making a call on Ooma is as easy as pie. By following these simple steps, you'll be connecting with friends and family in no time. Remember, if you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.